Hey everyone, my name is Rachel Bruner and I'm with Keller Williams Realty, and today I wanted to introduce you to a new property that we've listed in Rossville, Georgia. We're at 312 South Mission Ridge. Up here, this is very convenient to downtown. You're probably about 10 minutes from downtown. You've got views of Lookout Mountain. I've got Wendy videoing, and she can maybe pan some of those views across the street. And so just to tell you a little bit more about this house, this is an all brick rancher over a finished basement. It's got just over 3,400 square feet, offers 6 bedrooms and 4 full baths, lots of living space. So let's go inside and take a look. So you notice it's got a chip tile front covered porch. Come on in, Wendy.
Yes, I'm right behind you.
When you walk in, you're going to notice that the home has got newer hardwood floors. It's a pre-finished hardwood floor. Also a ceramic tile in the kitchen. Large kitchen. You've got plenty of space for a breakfast nook. If you'll also notice, the home offers newer vinyl windows. Great natural light throughout. You've got very roomy kitchen with an island in the middle. Lots of white cabinetry, which is so popular right now. Stainless steel appliances that are newer. And then you've got a side entry door that takes you out to a great little spot for grilling. And if you'll come on this way, so you've got dining room here. This homeowner is using it kind of for game room entertainment. But if you'll notice, it's got hardwood floors as well in here. And then you've got a step down into their main level living room. And in the living room here, you've got gas log fireplace and flanked by 2 built-ins, which is great for storage. This also gives you access to this back covered deck. Which is quite private out here in the backyard. So you've got a lot of usable space, very level, and then drops off some. And of course, you've got a nice winter view. I think that's white oak that you're seeing. You've got a 1-car carport that's detached, and you'll see later that we've got a 1-car garage that's attached in the basement.
I like how this porch is covered.
Yes,
this is really nice.
Yes. And as you know, because you can see, Wendy, it's an all brick home. Everything's vinyl fascia and soffits, vinyl windows.
Nice new windows. I like that.
And good spacing between your neighbors too. Okay.
Okay.
Come on back in.
Okay, so here's the foyer where we just came in.
We just came in the foyer. We did a kitchen.
I like this open space.
Yes, this is really good circular flow.
Very nice
and
open.
Great for big families. Lots of windows. Updated kitchen, so really nice. And of course, hard floor all the way through, so you don't have any carpet in this house.
Right.
So this is the first bedroom. This is an additional bedroom here off to the right, and it's got some nice built-ins and a brick exposed wall.
I do like this brick wall. That's really pretty, an accent.
Yes, and good closet space. You've got a good walk-in closet and hardwood floors in here.
Okay.
On down the hallway on the left, you've got another spare bedroom here. You can see the views of Lookout from the front of the house. Again, hardwood floors in this room. And a little bit of a open shelving concept and closet. As you go on down the hallway, you've got 2 linen closets here in the hallway. It's great for storage. And you've got a full bath here, tile floor, shower, tub shower combo, newer toilet, beadboard
walls.
on the bottom.
That's nice.
Yep, and a nice frosted glass window for privacy. And lots of counter space, lots of storage. This is going to be the 3rd additional bedroom, Wendy, on this level. Again, great views of Lookout.
Oh yeah, that's very nice.
Beautiful.
Let me get over here where I can show them that, because you can't really tell right here.
Yeah, it's a really pretty view. And again, you've got hardwood floors in this spare bedroom as well. So that's 3 spare bedrooms on this main level. And you also have a master bedroom. And the master bedroom features 2 closets.
Packed up and ready to go.
Yes, they are packed up and getting ready. 2 closets in here, hardwood floors, newer ceiling fan, and you've got an attached bath right here with a shower, pedestal sink, tile flooring.
Looks like they've redone the shower.
Yes. Yeah, they had done that right before they moved in.
I like that.
Very nice. Okay, so that gives you 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on this level, with a living room, dining room, roomy eat-in kitchen, and access to your upper deck.
Okay.
So we'll go on down to the finished basement. So it's very well lit down here. A lot of recessed lighting. You've got a laminate wood floor for your flooring down here. This is just a big game room, family room, whatever kind of space you need. We'll start over here first. So this
Nice little workout area.
Yes, very nice. So this floor gives you an additional 2 bedrooms to round out the 6 full bedrooms that the house offers.
Okay.
This has got newer carpet. Good sized room.
Nice and bright.
It is. Yes, and you've got a window. Of course, your electric panel is in here. 2 closets. Yeah, but it is nice and bright for a basement bedroom. Lots of recessed lighting.
Yeah, I do like the recessed lighting. Smooth ceilings.
Yes. And then the second bedroom down here, very similar layout. A little bit more windows, great natural light in here. Newer carpet, neutral paint on the walls.
Cute little homework nook.
Great little desk area. And then 2 closets in here as well.
Oh, and there's Olaf.
Okay, and then on outside of your bedrooms, you've got a full bath in this basement, which gives you 2 sinks. This is a newer vanity, so it's nice.
That's nice to be able to have folks living down here. You've got a full bath with a double vanity. You don't see that often.
And then you've got a shower in this bath down here, not a tub. And then just a newer laminate tile flooring. Let's see, on through here, it's just going to give you access to outside. So you've got a lower patio.
Okay.
Yep. Which of course you can see the propane tank, and then they've also got like a fire pit.
So this is a nice covered patio area out here.
Decking above you, but yes, pretty much covered.
Okay.
We'll get that door in a minute. And then you've got a closet here, another hall closet as well.
A lot of closet space.
A lot of closet space. You've got kind of an unfinished laundry area in the basement, but it's a very large laundry area with shelving for folding, and also counter space for folding, and then also a sink.
Nice big water heater.
Big water heater. This is going to give you access to the 1-car garage from the laundry room. You've also got an exterior door off the laundry room, and you can see they're packing. So there's boxes. But this, you've got an automated garage door opener. I'm sorry, not automated, automatic. I think that door's locked. We'll go around the other way and access that. But you've got newer windows in the garage space as well, and a newer garage door.
Insulated.
Yeah, so
looks like it's an insulated garage door.
Great for parking or just great for storage. And as we come back through the laundry room, there's some other storage rooms down here in the basement that are somewhat unfinished.
Perfect place for your freezer.
Yes, and also just a great storm shelter. So you've got that little
storm shelter here.
Yep.
Lots of shelving.
Yes. And sheetrock is up in this room, but the floors are concrete. You've also got some cinder block painted. And then you've got this other storage room that's huge. You've got some shelving, some counter space in here, great pegboard.
And that door leads back into that other room.
Into the garage, and then you've just got some space there as well. And then this gives you a little bit of access to their, I guess
crawl space.
Crawl space. This might be right under their foyer area or kitchen area.
Someone that wanted a workshop or
great workshop
love,
space.
you know, the handyman projects, this would be a great space for them.
And someone that needs a lot of storage, this house offers you that as well. So we'll go back into the finished basement space. This takes you back into that break room area.
Somebody's been doing some workout.
Yeah.
Kickboxing maybe.
Okay. And so that rounds out the basement. So we'll head back upstairs.
I like that even the stairs are wood.
Yes. Everything is just a solid surface floor. So that rounds out our tour of 312 South Mission, and this is in Rossville, Georgia. It's a great little pocket neighborhood up here on the ridge in Georgia. Super convenient to downtown, very convenient to East Ridge and the Interstate 924. So if you're looking for a brick rancher over finished basement space, all hard flooring or all solid flooring throughout, updated kitchen, 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, great big yard, and lovely views of Lookout Mountain. This is a great house. So give us a call. Thanks.